Hey everybody, if you want to recover deleted WhatsApp media files easily and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the method for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. The first thing we can do is we can check our phone's gallery or photos application. So tap on gallery and within there see if the pictures is available in your apps trash or anywhere. So you can check it out within your pictures gallery first. So once you do so, what we can do is we can verify backup. So for that, you can install the WhatsApp application. You can hold the WhatsApp and look out for the install option and confirm it up. After that, you need to head over to Play Store and tap on it. And once you do so, you can go to the search and look out for WhatsApp here. And once you reach over here, you can just go and reinstall it from Play Store and App Store. And during the setup, when you head over to WhatsApp, it will show you your restore option. When prompted, it will detect your backup and you just need to tap on it. So if you have not turned on your backup yet, you can go to WhatsApp and open it up. And once you open up your WhatsApp, look out for the three dot in the top and tap on it and select the option of settings from here. Now once you open up your settings, you just need to scroll down and go to the section for chats and tap on it. And you can scroll down and at the very last you should be finding a chat backup option. You can just go over and tap on it and then you can back up your chat. You can look out for this backup option and go ahead and back up it before reinstalling the WhatsApp, and then you should be able to restore the chat. You should and get the media files easily that you may be looking for. Apart from that, you can restore from a local backup also sometimes. So you can go to your device's file manager and go to internal storage, and there look out for Android option, and within Android look out for media, and there look out for WhatsApp. And once you find the WhatsApp folder, you just need to tap on it and see if there's a recent file available, and you can back it up on your device. So usually these are some of the methods you can follow up to recover the deleted WhatsApp media files easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.